The city of Wesco today hosting a hurricane preparedness event where local leaders in emergency management spoke with their residents.
Local 23's Iris Karami spoke with officials who say they want the community to be well prepared.
Do your evacuation. How are you going to save your family in case of floodwaters or a hurricane? How are you going to prepare for food for 4 or 5 days? So that starts at the home. Emergency management starts where you stand.
Wesco emergency management leaders are preparing residents for the start of hurricane season. Officials are pointing to last year's flood.
Areas that I had never seen flood before were impacted. Why? We're building more homes. We're building more highways. What are we doing? We're taking away the saturation of the water.
Ricardo Saldaña say residents must be careful with illegal dumping to prevent more flooding this year. He adds Hidalgo County received millions in funding for a new flood project.
There's a lot of projects going on with drainage throughout the county. They just awarded another $3 million on another major project.
Fire Chief Antonio Lopez says due to the creation of more drainage projects, flooding has become more manageable in the city.
So we also got to see that in 2019 we had a major storm come in, but because we had some of these RDS already completed, we saw that it wasn't as big of an impact.
TDEM Section Chief John Ovalle says the state has come up with a disaster tracking application that anyone can use.
This is what we call TDEM ISTAT. It's an individual state of Texas assessment tool. Tell us what's happening in your home. What some of the damages did you sustain in your home, right? So we can let the mayor know, we can let the county judge know, the governor's office know to say, hey, Mr. President, FEMA, this is how bad this incident was for the great state of Texas, and we need your assistance.
Putting local first in Wesco, I'm Iris Karami.
And the city of Wesco announced tonight they have 9 drainage projects underway, some scheduled to be completed by 2023. You can visit our website, valleycentral.com, to learn more about how you can prepare for hurricane season.